guys, my name is Ashley Cheek. I am one of the nurse practitioners in Aesthetic Injector here at About Face. I am both in the Snellville location and in the new Bogart location. Today I'll be demonstrating the modalities of our XLV Plus laser. This machine can treat all kinds of skin conditions such as reds and browns, pigment in the skin, rosacea, broken capillaries. It also helps produce collagen in the dermal layer of the tissue as well. Today we'll be demonstrating another modality in the versatile XLV Plus laser. We will be demonstrating and going over the Global Coolview handpiece. The Coolview Global laser is an advanced technology designed to treat a wide range of vascular and pigmentation concerns, such as sun damage, age spots, hyperpigmentation, reds, browns, rosacea, and much more. With our Coolview Global handpiece, your provider will prep the skin and apply eye shields for your protection. The Coolview Global handpiece does not require numbing. It feels like a snapping sensation against the skin during treatment. The settings are customized for your specific skin concerns. Typical treatment time is typically from 30 to 45 minutes. Multiple treatments are typically recommended as well to target your specific skin concerns as well. Your skin is typically red following treatment. Some clients may experience swelling, very minimal swelling, but this does typically resolve after a few days. Are you ready to rejuvenate your skin and discover the incredible benefits of Coolview Global handpiece? Book your free consultation today.